Hello, my name is Claudia and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about pantry organization. So if you like videos like that, then stay tuned. This video will contain timestamps because your time is very important to me, as I know it's important to you. This is my pantry. It is a half mess, half organized kind of situation, and I just want to get it all together so that it becomes a place where I can find things easily and things are labeled and it just looks more aesthetically pleasing. It's not in terrible shape, but if you're ready to get it in tip-top shape, then let's get started.
For someone who can play though.
I always like to start by removing everything because I like to start with a clean slate. And if you're not sure about how to get started decluttering your space, then I'm going to link a video right here to give you more tips to help you get started. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am so glad you're here. I'd love for you to become part of my family, so please hit the subscribe button. And if you like videos like that, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and make sure you turn on the notification button so you can be notified each time I upload a new video. A step stool is a must-have in my pantry because I always need something to make sure I can get to those top shelves and take things down. That black crate right there is heavy. It had all my extra spices in it and it was just too much. Everything is out and it's all clean. Now I just have to look at everything I have and sort through it. Oh my goodness. I knew it was a lot of stuff, but I had no idea it was this much stuff. This is going to be a lot to go through, but I'm going to go through it and sort it in a way that when I put it back in there, it will all make sense. As you can see, I have stuff on the floor, I have stuff on the counters, I have stuff on the island. There's a lot of stuff here, but one step at a time. So I was in Aldi's the other day and I picked up these little baskets that I thought were really cute with the wooden handles. They came in a pack of 2. And then I also got these adjustable shelves that I could use in there because I was going for a black and white aesthetic. And I also found these containers and they're okay. They're not really tight, but they'll work. Stay tuned to the end of the video because I want to show you my favorite storage solution because these are just a few. Don't miss out. I already had these black drawers and the white shelves behind them, and I'm going to go ahead and reuse those and make those work in my space. So now it's time to reorganize. You will see me move these things around a few times throughout my trial and error as I'm trying to get this together, but I'm already really liking the black and white aesthetic, and these baskets are just going to be perfect. So let me get this together. See those 2 white things right there in the corner? I know they used to be called Lazy Susans. Can you leave me a comment below and let me know what they're called now? Time to wash up these new containers so I can get them labeled and restocked and ready to use.
I think about us, I know the dawn is for us. I dream about us, I dream about the stardust. I dream about us, I dream of how it started and how it's all connected to everything.
As I was putting things back on the shelves, it felt like I was putting together jigsaw puzzles. I used to love to put puzzles together. Did you? Leave me a comment down below. I put the potatoes in the top drawer and I separated them by types of potatoes, and then I also have those liners in the second drawer, and that's where I put my onions because you know onions have all those skins on them and I didn't want those to go everywhere. So it's coming together really nicely. So I'll be filling up this basket with paper towels as I get more to restock it, and I'm going to have paper towels here and also in my utility closet. Be on the lookout for a video where I turn my coat closet into a utility closet. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel and make sure you have that notification bell turned on so you won't miss an upload of a new video.
I dream of all the things to come and of all the things we've done. I think about time and how it changes for us. Considering all the stars that came before us and how everyone has made it for us. Think of the future that is past and of all the things that last. Dream about us, I dream about us falling. Think about the gravity and how you are pulling me. I think about the many ways I am falling for your grace. And of all the possibilities to think that you would be.
I am so glad to finally get these canned goods out of that plastic white container and onto a shelf so that I can see exactly what I have. I had to keep rearranging them to put them in an order so that I could see exactly what items were like items together, but I think it looks great on these shelves. What do you think?
Think about the gravity.
So here's the reveal of my new pantry. I am so happy with the way this turned out. It wasn't terrible before, but this just took it up another notch. I love how I just was able to put labels on everything, and I'm gonna have a video coming out shortly where you'll see how I learned how to make these labels. Now my favorites are these white baskets on top, and they're my favorites because before they were all lumped into one and they were so heavy, but now I have them identified individually, and that is perfect. I love that I can now see everything that's on my shelf with my canned goods. I have them separated by like items, and everything has a place. I still decided to keep my baking sheets in there, which is totally fine. And I have the new basket for my potatoes and onions, and I just love the way it looks. It is so great to walk in there and just be able to identify everything in there. I hope you enjoyed this transformation of my pantry, and hopefully you'll be able to use some of my organization ideas in your own pantry. As you can see, I still have room to grow. I have 2 of those black baskets that are completely empty, in addition to the bottom drawer underneath the onions. I'm going to leave some other videos of rooms I've decluttered, and until we meet again, hugs and love. Bye.